Oh, hey party people. Today we are in Miami Beach. We're bouncing around in the water here in Miami. Man, doesn't that look beautiful? Like a swimming pool. Doesn't even look real. Look at the beach. Look at beautiful white sand, beautiful water. It looks like a postcard. And no, I'm not tweaking the crap out of the saturation. You can tell this is what it really looks like, because look at the sky. When people tweak the saturation, the sky looks obscenely, unnaturally blue. Which, granted, does look a little unnaturally blue in Miami from time to time, but that's the way it is. I'm here in the winter in this video, even though I'm rolling it out to my channel in the summer. I got backed up, man. I got backed up. I had things to do. As you can see, there's some sargassum on the beach, but not absurd. Might be a little bit more absurd now, depending on when you're watching this. I had one night in Miami. One night and one day. Got in really late. It was a Tuesday. It was not party night. I went to sleep and I just spent the whole day on the beach before I got on a plane. Look at that lifeguard tower. Iconic lifeguard tower, Miami Beach. How'd you like that to be your office every day? Not too bad. South Beach bike path. Speaking of iconic, I almost moved to South Beach in 2018. If I had, I would have been on this bike path every single day that there wasn't a hurricane or thunderstorm. Which is to say, I'd be on it all winter. Ooh, $250,000 casually parked on the street, no big deal. Overly priced hamburgers, all right. FYI, overly priced everything in South Beach. I saw a large cheese pizza for $40 US, not far from that hamburger place. Oh, I don't know, another $250,000, Bentley SUV. I don't know what they go for. I would say no way it's under 175. Oh, it's a puppy dog. Pretty girls everywhere. They're all over the place. Look at all the things you can't do. Nothing fun allowed. Nothing fun allowed on the beach. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of miss living in Bikini Town. I don't live in Bikini Town anymore. This look nice. Nice place to get a little coffee or lunch and have an 18% gratuity automatically included, whether you want it or not. Doesn't that seem nice? Bienvenido a Miami. You know what? It's worth it. We put up with those ridiculous costs because look at this beach. I mean, it's beautiful. How can you say no to this? You can't. I think this is one of my favorite layovers. I'd rather do this than switch planes at Atlanta any day. You know what I'm saying? Take my little bus back to the airport. That's it for this one. Hasta la próxima, chicos.